Hey guys, it's Jesse the Sand Dude Davenport at Guaranty RV Supercenters. Today we're going to take a look at a 2020 Catalina. It's a 19-footer. It's a non-slide unit, very lightweight. If you look down the side here, you got your shower back here in the back. Up front here we put 2 batteries, has the bigger tanks. And this has a powered tongue jack. A little place here to tie your toys off. Nice awning with a light in it. Lights underneath with the starlight. This is a new thing they got with the leash link because it got a little place to tie your dog. The newer steps, there's 2 steps there. You come inside. This has a rear patio that rolls out. Higher ceilings in these. LED lights, all the AC is ducted. It's got a nice big fridge. Your oven and stuff up here. Air conditioner above. You want to take a look up front here, you got your bedroom area. Lots of storage. And in here you can take a look at your bathroom. You got a light in there, you got a fan up above. It's a tub. Nice unit. If you have any other questions, my number's on the screen there, and give me a call on my cell phone, 541-515-0764. Thanks for looking.